The Supreme Court may ruling kanina declaring Bangsamoro Autonomy Act 58 and 77 unconstitutional. Supposedly that postpones daw yung BARM elections that's scheduled for dapat this month, October. Is that correct? Hindi kailangan ng batas to reset the elections to a firm date. It just has to take the Supreme Court to declare certain provisions unconstitutional. Is that how it goes?
Una po muna, we have not yet received a copy of the decision. It would appear that everything came from the pronouncement of the spokesperson of the Supreme Court kanina po. So hindi pa po namin nababasa yung kabuuan ng mismong desisyon ng Korte Suprema. But you are right that it would mean that there is no law on the part of the Commission to enforce comes October 13, and therefore it would result really to the postponement of the election of October 13. Ang sabi po kanina sa pronouncement ng spokesperson ng Supreme Court, the next election should happen by March 30. But however, the Bangsamoro Parliament will have to come up with a new law on districting before October 30, which is exactly 1 month, and at the same time it should exceed 120 days prior to the conduct of the election. So more or less mga November po yon. So medyo pag-aaralan po natin kung ano talaga yung eksaktong sinabi ng ating kataas-taasang hukuman, but at least it would appear na medyo tama po yung pag-comply natin, pagsunod natin sa restraining order ng Supreme Court, because really there was confusion before kung ano ba talaga ang batas na ipapatupad ng COMELEC, and this time the Supreme Court said even BAA 58, the original districting law, and BAA 77, the amendatory or repealing law, were both declared unconstitutional. So ang point ngayon po is back to zero ang COMELEC, kasi po technically yung lahat na print namin na balota pinagandaan namin based yan sa BAA 58, at pagkatapos kung dinideclare po ng constitutional yon, nangangahulugan will be waiting for the new law to be passed by the Parliament. So the ball now is in the hands of the Bangsamoro Parliament.
Gaano kalaki, COMELEC, yung resources na nasayang?
Ang budget po ng Bangsamoro parliamentary election ay 2.7 billion pesos. Hindi pa naman po namin nagagastos yung lahat sapagkat yung pong mga 65% po nun ay intended for the honoraria of the electoral board members and other workers doon po sa mga bawat presinto at polling places. So more or less po siguro nakagastos na kami ng mga kulang-kulang 1 billion doon po sa paghahanda natin supposedly for the October 13 Bangsamoro parliamentary elections.
You don't think you're gonna you don't have to ask for more money essentially kahit na move?
I definitely po in our country, so long as there will be postponement of the election, there will always be additional resources that the COMELEC and funding that the COMELEC will be needing. Basta po nag-reset tayo ng election dito sa ating bansa, lagi po, especially now that it's not very clear as to what kind of districting will the Bangsamoro arrive at. And surely, dahil magkakaroon sila, they are instructed to come up with a new Bangsamoro districting law, then we will have to reprint all the ballots. We will have to conduct all, again, voters education campaign. We will have to correct our system. We will have to, kasi nga po, automated ang election natin. And syempre po, kakailanganin lahat ng budget doon sa mga bagay na gano'n.
So isasama na yan sa
magkano kaya yun, Chairman?
2026?
Additional.
Mga 1 billion din po, yun po ang initial estimate natin. Simply because, remember po, when we list the machines including the transmission devices, supposedly by October 13. So mga tuloy po, hindi yun, nakalist po yung mga machines na yan, and therefore we will have to enter into new contract of lease for the next election, which will happen supposedly by March 30. So masyado pong medyo at this point, hindi pa po natin talaga alam kung ano mangyayari, because it will depend po kung based sa ating understanding, it will all depend kung the Bangsamoro Parliament will be able to come up with a new districting law. Take note po, it took them 1 year to come up with Bangsamoro Autonomy Act number 77. And therefore, binibigyan lang sila practically ng isang buong buwan o kahit extend pa natin ng month of November. The question is, will they be able to come up with a new law? A law that will be constitutional if tested as against the Constitution and other provisions of the organic law.
Kung hindi nila magawa yun, COMELEC Chair.
Yung po sir ang
Yeah, because in
medyo hindi ko po masasagot pa sa kasalukuyan kasi siyempre the question kasi po talaga is it's actually the Supreme Court that fixed the date already. As doon po sa question ni Sir Ed kanina, if the Supreme Court will have that power and authority, of course, it's the Supreme Court and therefore we will have to follow and abide. Dati-dati po kasi, it's always the Congress of the Philippines that fixes the date. In fact, the setting was done by the Congress of the Philippines. Meron po tayong Republic Act 12123 which fixed the date of the election after ma-reset siya from May 12, naging October 13. This time, it's actually the Supreme Court that is fixing the date and saying it's March 30, but Parliament, you have to come up with a new districting law between this period and that period.
Do you
So pwede
foresee...
you're saying pwede yung ma-challenge kung sakasakali ng Congress kasi it's parang usurpation ng power nila, di ba? Pwede yung questionin pa rin ng Kongreso, di ba?
Yes po, Ma'am Ami, but hindi ko po kasi nadinig kanina kung the decision is executory or subject to a motion for reconsideration or, for example, the COMELEC or the Parliament can file something for purposes of clarifying whether, paano if the period is not complied with, paano, what will happen if, kasi po magiging ano po yan domino effect. If the Parliament is not able to come up with a law as prescribed in the decision, then surely all preparations will have to be moved again, including perhaps even the conduct of the election. Because the March 30 presupposes that the Parliament is able to come up with a new districting law during the period as provided for in the decision of the Supreme Court.
Correct.
Pero so if you have the usual 15-day period for the filing of appeals, that falls beyond the beyond the 12 days
Tapos
left
na
before
election,
the original date for the elections.
Yes, sa part po ng COMELEC, in fact, we did not file even our manifestation is not in defense of BAA 77 because we honestly believe that indeed there were certain legal infirmities doon sa BAA 77, kaya po BAA 58 ang amin pong pinaghandaan. And so, dito po, maybe we will not be filing the motion for reconsideration anymore. We'll just be filing a manifestation that we are willing and very much ready to comply with the Supreme Court directive. However, our compliance po kasi will be dependent on the compliance of other agencies or other instrumentalities of the government.